What the Investors Association is, it's a student organization that hopes to teach its peers and other undergraduate students about different investment topics. It's usually about what the members want to learn, and then we'll make a presentation on that. Sometimes it'll be investment strategies, different financial derivatives, pretty much anything they want to learn about investing. I was interested in joining because I had no idea about stocks before coming into college. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from learning throughout your life. So I feel like it adds value outside the classroom that I'm glad I get to take away after I graduate.
The general trend across the market is companies...
Bell Tower Capital Management is a undergrad portfolio management team. We started it about 2.5 years ago. I was part of the inaugural group, and we really just saw a need to build a team that actually managed money.
After some of the founders of the Investors Association came to me and said that they would like to manage some money, they said, we'd like, does the college have any money that we can manage? I told them that, before we can let anybody run any money, what we really need is that they kind of demonstrate a proof of concept. The main thing that they did was they created the structure of an investment management company.
So we paper traded a portfolio for about 2 years before we actually got funding. And it wasn't until this past June that we got funded with about $140,000 for the portfolio.
They've got the classroom knowledge, but they've also got that practical, hands-on, let's get on and do it kind of attitude.
I think it's important to have a real fund rather than a paper one to really encourage the students to understand the responsibility behind managing someone else's money.
Using the Bloomberg terminals and going to Investors Association meetings, that'll just help you familiarize yourself with all that material. The Bloomberg terminals are used in finance very heavily, and it's a great skill to have to be able to be comfortable with one of these.
Employers only look at your resume for an average of 8 seconds, right? What are they going to read that catches your eye? And Bell Tower Capital Management is definitely something that slows them down and causes them to read a few more sentences. So it gets you in the door, and from there, you can just run with it.